Today, we are going to Phrao, to our drive north of Chiang Mai. We have an appointment to visit a house.
Even if appointment is in the afternoon, we decided to leave early morning and take our time, stop on the way if we see things. First stop as we saw the statue of a monk almost on the side of the road, very massive.
Then, after a while, we caught a sight of a temple that seemed to be beautiful. We decided to check it. First thing that struck us, we were only the two of us. As for every temple in Thailand, you can see Naga. Here in the stairs, Naga is that big dragon protecting Buddha and Buddhist religion in general.
Actually, we're not only the two of us. There is a few dogs welcoming us. This pond is considered a forgiveness pond. The fish living in here are safe and cannot be fished.
And this is the main part, the reason why we decided to stop. Very beautiful, isn't it?
Here, Naga again. Final steps before reaching the highest point. I have the feeling that we will not be disappointed.
Wow, indeed, it is well worth it. The view is splendid.
After resting a bit, it's time to leave. I'm really happy we found that beautiful temple. Before we leave, Nin has to make a new friend beneath the benevolent gaze of Buddha.
I hope that next time we will come, my new friends still be here and the construction work will be over.
Time to get back on the road. I can't stop to be amazed by the surroundings, and the best is yet to come. In addition to the scenery, what I really enjoy is the fresh air. Even if we are driving and on the road, I can really feel the difference with the city.
Time to make our next stop. The temple stairs made me hungry. My stomach is crying, and I will very happily answer his begging. It's still early, so there is not a lot of open restaurants yet. But this one is, and I don't want to risk driving 30 more minutes before the next one.
If there is something I've learned since I live in Thailand, it's that when you don't really know what to order, Pat Krapao is the answer. And it looks like we both didn't know what to order today, so Pat Krapao Mu Kai Dao it is. You can check the recipe here. This very simple dish is made of Thai holy basil, chili, rice and pork with a fried egg on top. And if you're Thai, you can even add more chili.
Stomachs are full, ready to keep going. But we are not going to drive a lot until the next stop. As we see this viewpoint, she immediately turns on the blink.
Wow, this is my favorite kind of view. Mountains all over, lush vegetation, no high building. I could spend hours contemplating it. I think I'm falling in love again.
The further we go, the more excited we are to see the house in the middle of this beautiful region.
Speaking of which, we should go now, but unfortunately, we can't show you the actual house.
We just finished the viewing and want to find a nice and quiet place to talk about it. Luckily, there is plenty of options around.
The owner told us that not even 5 minutes drive from the house, there is a massive dam. We decide to drive through and stop by at the other end.
After a very short walk, we access this nice spot and sit there for a minute.
There is so many things going on in my mind now. As I said earlier, I'm in love with the region. That's for sure.
And me too. It's beautiful. It's quiet.
But is it a good idea to settle here?
Let's go back home and take our time to decide.